It's sunnah to clean your mouth and brush your teeth using siwak. Why? You see the footnote? Because the mouth is the place from which we are uttering the words of Allah. These are the words of Allah. Again, remember what we said in the last class? This is not the word of man. So we're not treating this like the word of man. I'm not reading Stephen King or Harry Potter or Ta-Nehisi Coates. This is not none of that stuff, right? This is the word of Allah. So I don't want to have no funky stank breath while I'm reciting Quran. Bismillah, and people, you know what I'm saying, falling. No, we don't want none of that stuff, right? So we're gonna brush our teeth. And honestly, nowadays we have toothbrushes with toothpaste. Why not? By all means, pop a mint in your mouth. Maybe some ginger candy, inshallah. So yeah, clean our mouths. But if you have a siwak, use it. MashaAllah, the siwak is blessed. The Prophet ﷺ always used it. It's sunnah to use the siwak. Did you know that the Prophet ﷺ said regarding the siwak in connection to the prayer? He said, لو لم أشق على أمتي لأمرتهم بالسواك قبل كل صلاة. Subhanallah. He said, had I not feared that my ummah would not be able to keep up, I would have commanded them to use the siwak before every single prayer, every single prayer. So that's why you'll see people carrying the siwak either in their breast pocket or in their ear or in their regular pocket, and they pull it out before a prayer and they go swish, swish, swish. They're not really trying to clean their teeth. They're doing it simply because it's sunnah, right? Subhanallah. And you know what's interesting? The siwak, whenever I use siwak, I get this smoothness on my teeth, man. That brushing my teeth with a toothpaste don't get. Now, don't get me wrong. I brush with a toothpaste all the time, but it's this like buttery smoothness that I get when I use siwak. Smooth like butter. You know what I'm saying? MashaAllah. So yes, so it's good smell, cleaning, being pure. Quran's gonna attract a lot of angels. Yes, Zara. You was on a roll, sis. You was on a roll. MashaAllah. Thank you. I love your input, man. MashaAllah, sis. Loving it. All right. If you benefited from this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on our other social media platforms.